Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to get directions of your selected fuel site on the Keyfuels application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, select your location, and after that you should select from the results that will appear on this map marked with a purple icon. So tap on the relevant one, and if you want to get there, tap on the get directions button down below on the right side corner of the screen. Then you will be directed to google.com, where you can check out the directions. So here you can see navigation option. You should select your departure point at the top of the screen, and then here you can see the duration of the trip, and here you can tap on navigation, and then you can check out the directions. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.